Log in. Enter the instant quote page. Select your cargo, for example parcel, air or sea. Fill in origin and destination info. Input the load's details. If there are more than one unit and the size are different, click the Add button to increase the number of units. Also, you can input by total shipment. Fill in cargo info. Fill in carbon offset for shipment. Click Get Quote. FreightAmigo provides online quotes for 5 major logistics service modes. Compare and choose a favorable quote. Click Book Now. Enter shipper and consignee info. Add address and save to address book for next shipment. And select a contact for auto fill-in. Fill in customs and cargo info. Fill in the cargo description and select customs details. Click Continue for the next step. Declare the shipment is general cargo or dangerous goods. You can also arrange cargo insurance and credit insurance for the shipment. Select the payment methods. Click Confirm and Pay. You can check all your shipments in My Shipment and view the status of all your shipments to trace the progress. You can get real-time and detailed progress of your shipments with our AI predictive tracking. In Shipping Document, download related digital shipping documents anytime, anywhere. For any inquiries, click on the bottom right Amigo AI chatbot to contact us. FreightAmigo. Make your trade easier with one-stop logistics, insurance, and financing.